Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you guys what I got here. I did kind of open it already, so I'm just going to kind of reopen it, I guess, and show you guys what's in it. We have some instructions here, and this is kind of the, for pushing the buttons, showing which things we're going to do. We have the installation manual here, which kind of just explains how to put it up to screw it on, and I'll show you guys that in a second. Just different things there. We have the mount, and it comes with all the screws you need to mount it. And then here is the light right here. So that's everything out of there. And so you can see these are the solar panels, and then this is the light. So I can go like this here, and I can screw this in so it'll hold it on there, and I can put it up onto the wall so it'll aim however it needs to. And the way it works here is you have the different, those solar panels here will make it work. This is the on and off buttons here, so we can, I'm just holding it up against me so it'll get the light, but you can see how bright this thing is. We have the different modes. I think there's one mode that will do always on dim, another mode that'll do always on bright, and then another mode that'll do dim, and then when you motion it gets bright, or you can have like, I think no light and then until there's motion or something like that. So you have all these different options. This is super bright. I'll probably leave it on dim and then go bright when somebody walks by. So that's just pretty cool. So it gets really bright. You can see how bright this is even in the daytime. You can see it's lighting me up. So this is gonna be great over like a door or something like that. So it'll just be super bright there. Probably put this over our shed actually. So when somebody pulls up to it, it'll just go bright like over a garage. So we've got our construction site and we were able to stick the light right there. So how cool is that it's gonna be able to light up over the whole area here while it's under construction at night and stuff like that, keep us a little bit secure. So I'm gonna say thumbs up on this light here. So very nice light. I'm gonna say this is super awesome. Thumbs up from me. Definitely like it.